Welcome to the future, where artificial intelligence, or AI, isn't just a buzzword. It's a tool that can significantly enhance your daily life. Today, we're exploring how to harness the power of AI to make life easier, more productive, and even more fun. Whether you're a tech enthusiast or simply looking for ways to optimize your routine, this guide is for you. AI can take the mundane and make it manageable. From smart assistants that manage your schedule to AI-powered apps that sort your emails, the possibilities are endless. Imagine having a personal assistant that knows exactly what you need before you even ask. Education is evolving, and AI is at the forefront. Personalized learning platforms use AI to adapt to your learning style, pace, and preferences, making education more accessible and effective for everyone. Your well-being is paramount, and AI is revolutionizing how we approach health. From fitness trackers that provide personalized workouts to mental health apps that offer support and guidance, AI is making it easier to take care of yourself. In the workplace, AI is a game changer. Automation tools streamline workflows, while AI-driven analytics provide insights that can propel your career or business to new heights. Even in our downtime, AI plays a role. Streaming services use AI to recommend movies and music, while AI-driven games and virtual reality experiences offer unparalleled entertainment. The potential of AI to improve your life is immense. By embracing these technologies, you can enhance virtually every aspect of your daily routine. The future is here, and it's powered by AI. Are you ready to be a part of it? Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insightful videos. See you in the next one.